Hello everyone and welcome to my channel to this very special day. And it's not only special because it's a video day, it's a filming day, and filming days are always special, but it's a special video because it's my first somewhat proper unboxing. I will be unboxing with you a bag, my autumn/fall bag. I buy one bag a season. I bought one bag in the winter, one bag, well, I haven't bought a bag in the winter because the winter hasn't arrived yet, isn't here yet, but I bought one bag for spring, one bag for summer, and I just got my fall/winter bag, and I'm really excited to show you. It is from Polene. I've been wanting to get myself a Polene bag for a while. I was toying between which bag to get, and I landed on the bag that you're about to see. Before we get started with unboxing, I would really like to know whether you've heard of the brand Polene. Do you have a bag from Polene? Do you have a bag you'd like to get from Polene? And if you have any guesses, if you haven't seen my reel on my IG yet, shameless plug, what bag do you think I got? What color? I mean, judging by my outfit, you can kind of guess what color I got, but you probably won't get the style right. But without any further ado, now that I've asked you all the questions, I got to know a little bit of the answers. Well, I hope I will once the video goes live. I am about to start my unboxing. So it came with a box within a box. I've already thrown the brown ugly box, and I have kept this beautiful box right here. And you can tell that it says Polene Numero, I think it's pronounced Numero Huit. Numero Huit. And it means number 8. And does it say mini? Oh, I was holding it upside down all the time. So it's the Polene Numero Huit mini. It's the mini bag because I like mini bags. I'm still riding that bandwagon, and I don't really see myself getting off anytime soon. I love mini bags. But without any further ado, let's open it together. Okay, so it comes in this gorgeous, beautiful kind of pearly white bag with this beautiful gold writing on it. It's just print. It has some texture to it, but I don't really know how they did this. But that doesn't really matter. Let's open the box together. Something fell. Let's see what it is. It's the card, but it's okay. So there was this beautiful card in it. It says Huit Maroquinier, something like that. It's in this, I don't know what you call this writing. Oh my gosh, I do know, but it's on the tip of my tongue and it's not coming. It just says Polene. It shows you this beautiful picture of a woman. This is probably the Numero un, because it's French. It's Paris. But yeah, this is just the card. This part was a sticker that I've already torn. And ta-da! Here is the bag in the gorgeous dust bag. This dust bag is kind of unique because it has a weird texture that I haven't felt. It's almost like fleece. It's like a fleece texture. It feels like something that works beautifully to keep something warm, which isn't necessary for a bag, clearly, but it doesn't really matter. Let me stand up. So this is how it comes. This is a dust bag, and let's open it. I mean, you can already tell that the color is camel, and it has contrast stitching. It's like this beigey sort of color, similar to the dust bag. Let's open it. All right, I hope you're ready. This is the bag, and this is my dog. It comes with a tag right here, And it also comes with a long shoulder strap that is actually adjustable. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 adjustments, and it also comes with this tag to keep the strap bit that is extra attached so that it doesn't flop all around. Let's take off the tag together. This tag says Numero Huit. Oh, come on. Here we go. We'll worry about the tag later. It is kind of a bucket style bag. It has 4 gorgeous feet at the bottom. The hardware is minimal, but it's all gold. And everywhere there's hardware, it also says Polene on it. So, for example, here it says Polene. You won't really be able to see, but I am telling you. And on the bottom of it, the feet also have Polene all around. And I think that that's it for even those hooks that attach the straps to the bag have Polene engraved on it. And this is how you expand, or this is how you open the bag. This is how you expand it. This is how the bag looks on the inside. I don't really think it has any pockets because it sounds weird to have pockets with this kind of, I don't know, like a dumpling shape / flowery shape, you know? It's weird. So it doesn't have any pockets inside. And I think the material on the inside is suede. I love it. Let's discuss. Okay, dust bag to the side. Well, behind, more like behind than to the side. This tag here says Polene, and it tells you about the material that the bag is made of. On the upper half, it's all in French, I assume. But on the bottom it says main material full grain Italian calfskin, and the lining is Italian suede calfskin, so I was right about the suede. It does feel like suede, and apparently it is suede. I didn't buy it secondhand, and this was one of my resolutions to buy things more on the second, especially leather goods. I couldn't find it, at least not in this colorway. I couldn't find it in the camel color. I could find it in gray, but I didn't really want a gray bag because I already have one, and I don't really have a camel bag, like a proper camel, and I thought that this would be a great addition. I will say, now, Polene is like a loophole. Once you have a taste of a Polene bag, you might be wanting more, and this is kind of what happened to me. Once I saw it, and once I felt it, and once I held it, I just wanted more. Let's talk briefly about the bag, because clearly I just received it, I haven't used it. But this bag is incredibly lightweight, and it looks like it's a very sturdy bag. The stitching is really, really neat, and the only thing I don't really like is on the back, which you won't really be able to tell when you see someone holding it, but I don't really seem to understand why the bag ended here and not on the inside. Instead of having this part being like slightly protruded because it's a stitch on top of a piece of leather, why not have them meet in the middle and stitch the two of them together? Clearly I am no seamstress, or I don't understand anything about how craftsmanship works with like any leather goods or anything, to be honest, but I just wish that this part was on the inside, like this part was literally here. I hope it makes sense. You see this part right here where they both meet? I think that this should have been tucked inside so that it's not visible. If I accidentally carry the bag backwards like that. Not that it's ugly or anything, but it's just imperfect. And it's just one imperfection that could have easily been prevented by stitching the two parts, the two leather ends on the inside. But that's okay, that's fine. I'm not complaining. Well, I kind of am, but it's okay. I'm fine. I'm happy with the bag regardless. The strap, the shoulder strap, the longer one, does not seem to be detachable, I don't think. And it seems to be stitched to the top handle. And the top handle is also not detachable or adjustable. So the top handle is not adjustable, non-detachable. The shoulder strap is adjustable, but it's not detachable. I don't really see this bag being the type that loses shape, especially because of how sturdy the bottom feels. It feels really sturdy, and it doesn't feel bendy or anything like that. Even if I carry something really heavy inside, which I haven't done yet, but I assume that it's not going to sag, which I love. I don't want any of my bags to look saggy. I don't like the saggy look, what can I say? It's just not something that I prefer. What else can I say about the bag? I mean, looking at it upon first impression, right? This is completely first impression. I haven't even used the bag, but it looks gorgeous and sturdy, and the presentation is extremely luxe for the price tag. I believe I paid 260 euros for it, and then 20 euros for shipping, and then I paid about 50 to 60 euros for taxes. Yes, you're gonna have to pay taxes if you are shipping it internationally. At least that was my experience, and everyone I watched who talked about buying it internationally also talked about having to pay shipping, and they even say it on the website. They say it on the website that you're gonna have to pay shipping up to 30% of the, you're gonna have to pay taxes, and the taxes are going to amount to about 30% of the bag. That's like a maximum. I think I paid about 25% of the initial price tag of the bag. And to be honest, well, it's a bummer because it's literally taxes. No one likes taxes. Taxes are the enemy. But I don't regret getting the bag at all. I'm very excited to buy, and I'm very excited to wear it. And I'm jumping ahead of myself. I'm excited to buy more Polene bags in the future. And I kind of wish that I had bought this a long time ago. But that is my first impression of the Polene Numero Huit bag. Clearly French is not even remotely a mother tongue.
I don't even know anything about French other than oui, si, bonjour, bonsoir, pardon, merci, de rien. What else do I know? And that's it, I think, I'm pretty sure. And mon Dieu, because of a Annick Piaf song, and also I don't even know, what am I saying?
Okay, never mind my attempt to impress. Clearly I don't impress. But that's it for today's video. I'm excited to know what your experience has been with Polene, if you've already had one. And if you're curious about Polene, I would love to know what bags you are, contemplating getting. I personally have been eyeing a few bags myself. My birthday is in December, which basically means it's going to be another winter bag, but I don't really want to get two Polene bags back to back. But for sure, for the winter, I'm planning to get myself a bag, because that's my deal. Every season there's going to be one bag joining my collection. And yeah, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I would love to know if you want to see any more content featuring my Polene bag, if you want to see some kind of updates once I start to use it, maybe like a 6 months update, a year update. maybe you'd like to see like what fits in it, like what's in my bag style video, let me know. And that's it for today. Until I see you next time, take care, and yeah.